Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss another topic of B.Ed Sem 2, and it is textbook as a resource of English language teaching. So without any delay, let's start our topic. In this video we are going to discuss meaning and definition of textbook, importance of textbook, and principle in the preparation of textbook of English subject. Let's start with the introduction. So, instructional materials are tools for significant learning and teaching. A teacher must explore a wide variety of materials to find suitable aids for instruction, to supplement the textbook, to provide additional information, to broaden the concept, and to arouse interest. Let's discuss meaning of textbook. So, a textbook is a prescribed book for the students of particular age group. It covers items as given in the syllabus. Such a book forms the basis of teaching learning in the class. It is the main center of attraction for the school-going children. So, it is the meaning of textbook. Next is a definition of textbook. Bacon says, a book designed for classroom use, carefully prepared by the experts in the field, and equipped with the usual teaching devices. Second definition is, a true textbook is one especially made for the use of pupil and teacher in a school or a class, presenting a course of study in a single subject or closely related subjects. Next is importance of textbook. Textbooks are useful for systematic and regular teaching. It helps the teacher to give home assignment to the students easily and quickly. The students are able to complete their home assignment easily by consulting the book. Textbooks help the teacher in avoiding repetition of subject matter. In the presence of textbook, the teacher is able to cover the syllabus to the point, and thus there is no wastage of time or energy on the part of teacher. The different exercises given at the end of each lesson help the students in many ways. They are able to memorize, revise, or comprehend them as the case may be. The irregular students are able to make up their deficiency by consulting the book at home. The students can revise their lessons as per their own convenience. Thus, the textbooks cater to the individual needs of the learner. Textbooks help the teachers to set question papers for the test or examination. It enables the learners to acquire skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and also secondary skills such as note making, note taking, summarizing, dictionary reference skills, etc. Textbooks gives authentic material for reading, comprehension, and writing skills. It provides opportunities to language learners to study literature in the form of prose, poetry, or short plays. So these all are points of importance of textbook. Next we will discuss principles in the preparation of textbooks. So basically, textbook in English language are prepared based on 10 core elements prepared by National Council for Educational Research and Training. And we will discuss all the 10 principles one by one. First principle is principle of selection and gradation. So, lessons in English language are carefully selected based on certain criteria such as vocabulary, mental age, entry behavior of learners, etc. The lessons are chosen from the wide range of themes such as adventure, short stories, biography, autobiography, creative writing, etc. The selected lessons are graded in order from simple to difficult. Next is utilitarian principle. The prescribed book must enable the learner to use the knowledge of language to carry out day-to-day communication, use it for social interaction, to receive education, and for preparation for a career. Third is principle of communicative comprehension. The textbook must provide adequate activities to the pupils to develop communicative competence not only in oral aspects but also in written communication skills. Fourth is principle of appreciation of art, culture, national values and heritage. Textbooks must have adequate coverage on art, culture, values and heritage of our country. Appreciation of all these aspects is possible only in language study. Fifth is selection and gradation of structures, vocabulary and grammar. The study of structures, vocabulary and grammar are the essential components of language study. They must be selected based on the learner's need and objectives of teaching English language. They must be graded of simple to complex. Sixth is principle of maximization in learning. Pupils must be given adequate learning situations through textbooks to maximize their learning potentials. The poor performance and gaps in learning a language leads to poor performance not only in language learning but also in other school subjects. All the new words are covered in all structures with which the students are already familiar. Seventh is structures. In a good textbook, the different structures are placed in very scientific way. The learners do not come across many new structures on one and same page. Very simple structures occur in first few pages of the book. The difficult structures are introduced in the book by and by. The different structures which occur in books are made to appear again and again in the subsequent pages of the book. In every lesson, the new structures are printed in bold type. Thus, the students understand very well the new structures that have been introduced in the lesson. Next is subject matter. The subject matter contained in the book is according to the mental level of the students. In the beginning of the book, the chapters are easy and simple. The difficult chapters are made to occur towards the end of the book. The social background of the learners is also kept in mind so that the students may have clear-cut understanding of the subject matter. As far as possible, the different chapters of the books are kept interrelated. The story element is maintained in the book. There is variety in different chapters of the book. Essays, stories, biographies of great men and poems are mixed together so that the students may not feel boredom. Next is exercises. At the end of every chapter there are some exercises. These exercises have reading material, practice material and testing materials. Some of the exercises enable the students to apply the subject matter learnt by them. And the last is illustration. Here and there the book contains simple illustration. It makes the students more interested in the book. As far as possible, the pictures are made clear and to the point for the For the small children, there are colored pictures. The illustrations are to the point and language practice is possible through them. So, these all are important principles to be kept in mind in the preparation of textbooks in English language. Now, we will discuss technical considerations while preparing the textbook of English language. As we all know that good learning depends upon a good textbook. Here, by a good book, we do not mean only the subject matter of the book, its appearance, get up, etc. make it lovable and readable. So as you can see on the screen, these are some points of technical considerations. First is the paper used in book is of good quality. It is soft and glossy so that the students may enjoy reading it. Next is the printing is free from any type of errors. The size of printing is neither too big or too small. The binding of book is strong. The get-up of the book is strong. The size of the book is neither too big nor too small. It depends upon the age group of the students for whom it is meant. The title page of the book is attractive. Generally, the scene of school or classroom is depicted. Sometimes two or three children are shown going to the school. And last but not the least, the price of book is reasonable. So today in this video we have discussed definition and meaning of textbook. We have discussed points about importance of textbook. Then we have discussed principles in the preparation of textbook. And then we have discussed technical considerations while preparing the textbook. So that's all for today. If you found it helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.